RSI, Relative Strength Index, and MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, are two of the most popular technical indicators, but they serve different purposes. RSI measures momentum on a scale from 0 to 100, flagging potential overbought conditions above 70 and oversold levels below 30, great for spotting short-term reversals, especially in range-bound markets. However, RSI can give false signals in strong trends, where it remains overbought or oversold for extended periods. On the other hand, Massachusetts CD tracks trend strength and direction by comparing two moving averages, adding a signal line for crossovers and a histogram for momentum. It's more reliable in trending markets, but it tends to lag due to its reliance on moving averages. So, which is better? It depends on the market condition. RSI is faster and good for quick momentum shifts, while MACD is more reliable for identifying broader trends. Many traders use them together, MACD to confirm the trend and RSI to fine tune entry and exit points. The best results often come from combining both,